Assalamu alaikum student. Hope you all are fine. Today we discuss the topic of the chapter waves, that is the wave characteristic. In the wave characteristic, first we discuss the topic that is the wave cycle. We learn about one of the most important characteristic of the wave characteristic. Understanding a wave cycle will help you understand the frequency, wavelength and time period if you learn about the wave cycle. So here we write the definition. What we learn in this definition, a wave cycle is one complete wave or one complete vibration. If we had to draw the wave that is start from this point and come back to this point after complete the one wave cycle. A complete wave start from one point and return back to the same position while moving in the same direction. Here the particle is moved back to the same position after moving in this way. So a complete wave start from one point and return to the same position while moving in the same direction. A complete wave, it can be one crest and one trough, and it can be started from the crest. Here we take the crest. A wave is started from the crest and return to it back to the same position. So one crest and one crest is also make the one complete wave. Here we also take another example. In the other example, we take the trough. If we start from the trough, a wave is start from the trough and return to the same position after traveling some distance. So distance from the trough and trough from the trough to the trough is also the wave cycle, and distance from the crest to crest also complete one wave cycle. Here is the one crest and one trough of the wave is also complete one wave cycle. One wave cycle is basically the complete one vibration. A particle start from one position and return back to the same position. That is the one wave cycle that is complete. So simple definition we can write that a wave cycle is one complete repetition of a wave pattern. So here we write that learn the concept of the wave cycle. What is the wave cycle? A wave cycle is basically the one complete wave. One complete wave, it can be constant of one crest and one trough. It can be constant of distance from the crest to crest, and it can be the distance from the trough to trough. It completely one wave cycle. Hope you understand the concept of the wave cycle. Relation of wave cycle with the vibration. What is the relation of wave cycle with the vibration? Always remember that one vibration of the source produce one wave cycle. One vibration of the source produce one wave cycle. If we take any source that is produce the vibration, that one vibration that complete the source is called the one wave cycle. Here we take the example of your hand. If you vibrate your hand 5 times every second, in every second you vibrate your hand 5 times, it means it produce 5 wave cycle in every second. Hope you understand the concept of the wave cycle and vibration relation with the wave cycle. If the source is vibrate one time, it complete one wave cycle. If source is vibrate 5 times, it means it complete 5 wave cycle in every second. Now we discuss the relation of the wave cycle with frequency. How many wave cycle produce in 1 second? So here we write that how many wave cycle is produced in 1 second, that is the frequency. If we here to take the example, in the example we take if any wave complete one cycle in 1 second, one cycle in 1 second, it's mean what is the frequency? Frequency is tell us the how many wave cycle complete in 1 cycle. So if frequency is equal to 1 hertz, it means if frequency is 1 hertz, it complete one wave cycle in 1 second. In the second example, we can take that frequency is 10 hertz cycle. Here is the one wave cycle is complete in this time period, and this time period is the 1 second. One wave cycle is complete in 1 second. If same time 1 second, it's complete 10 wave cycle. 10. It complete 10 wave cycles in 1 second. It means its frequency is 10 hertz. If it complete one wave cycle, it means its frequency is 1 hertz. If it complete 10 wave cycles in 1 second, it means its frequency is 10 hertz. Hope you learned this concept of the frequency. The time period is the time required to complete one wave cycle. How many time is required to complete one wave cycle? Here we write the definition of the time period. Time period is the time required to complete one wave cycle. Here we take the example. For example, one wave cycle that complete, it take time, that is the 2 second. It means it required 2 second time to complete one wave cycle, that is the time period. So here, what is the time period? That is the, it complete one wave cycle in 2 second. First, we write the wave cycle. What is the wave cycle? One crust plus one trough, that make the one wave cycle. Crust to crust, that is the one cycle. Trough to trough is also complete the one wave cycle. That is all we learn about the wave cycle and relation of the wave cycle with frequency and time period. Hope you learn the concept of this wave cycle. If you learn this concept, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.